Hi traders, welcome to our live trading session video. Now, which way do you think this trade is going to go in? And what do you think are the order routes in which it can get there? This and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master of the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Thiru Naban here, founder of Master of the Markets, A-Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here on this live trading session video here, we are looking at this particular trade on GBP USD on the 1 hour. I've got also the other time frames, the daily and the 4 hour. On the daily, it's a downtrend, but it's a bottom to top move. With the low of yesterday being taken out on the daily time frame. However, the range hasn't formed yet. So this is the trade, this is the bar that we are looking to trade for today. And the other thing is on the 4 hour, you can see that it's a top to bottom move, but it's an uptrend. So it's going to be a reversal. The first thing that we'll be looking at on the 1 hour time frame over here is where has it broken its stretch to, and you can see that it's the lower stretch that is broken down to here. That's my first point. Direction bias will be down. And then in terms of when will I enter this timing, I'll wait for my pattern setup. But just a quick thing, what I just want to mention over here.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
If you do take a look, from the open, which is the blue line here, which will correlate to here, the open over here, from the open to the high, you can see that's about 6 pips. And to the low, that's about 48. Okay, that's what we got. So I will just write that over here. That will help you towards your order routes as well. So that's 6 to the top and 48 to the bottom. Now from the open, that is 48 plus 6, that's what gives you 54. If you can read that over here, bar range about 54, 56. Okay, I've just done it roughly. So we will see from here. I'll wait for a pattern setup. What we are looking at from here, either we can look for it to take out the low and come to the bottom, or we are looking for it to go further up to the top and create an opposite stretch. Okay, and then of course after that point, time will get constrained a bit, and you will get also more aggressive. You can get more aggressive on the stop loss as well. So I will wait for that. I'll wait for the market to guide me on which direction we are going to take this. And for now, what I'll do, I'll pause the video and we'll see in the next 1 hour what happens. Okay, traders, as you can see now, the trade is progressing for us. Remember, there's still 2 more minutes for us to close to the hour. And we had this entry line here that to enter, but it's gone through that at the moment. So we shouldn't still enter it, still should be disciplined in our entry. So we need to move it to the low of the bar. That's our price pattern recognition. And we still need to wait patiently. Don't let your emotions take the better of you. Now it's 3167 is what we got. So I need to just change that. Because you see, with our experiences, that what we found sometimes, if emotions get better of you, then you rush into the trade and it goes against you and you wish you didn't do that rational move. So all of that is very, very important. So stick to your plan and you have to train your psychology. Okay, so that's the trade that we got at the moment. 3167 for the low of the bar, the blue line here. Stop loss for the high of the bar, 3200 with the spreads included, and target at 80% of the 80-hour range at 3141. Okay, so that's what we got at the moment. Once the hour hits, once the next bar forms, I'll then place the trade, and then you'll be able to see it under the trade terminal. Okay, then after that we'll then manage it every 1 hour. So that's what we will be doing.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So let's wait patiently, just a few more seconds towards the hour, and then we can then place the trade. Now we go. I placed the trade already. Now you can see over here the trade over here. You can see 3167, 3200, 3141. Okay, so that's what we got at the moment. Okay, that's what we have. Alright, I guess that's on that. I will look and see to it at the end of the 1 hour what happens with the trade. Hello traders, so there you are. We are back on the trade again now. As you can see, the trade has a little bit just triggered us in and then reversed against us and stopped us out over here. Okay, there is, in fact, if you look at the account history here, there's a loss of about minus 330 pounds over there. That's what we have. In fact, when I actually analyze this, there's actually two mistakes that we have done over here. Okay, one is I did get a bit complacent on this trade. In terms of the pattern setup was there, it's correct. Okay, the low of that bar was 3167. Okay, 1, right? 31671, 1 micro pip, isn't it? So the low is actually 3167. The entry price should usually be 1 pip below that, 3166. I guess in terms of that, I did get a bit complacent on that. I just put it for 3167, didn't give the 1 pip leeway. Now that's what's happened here, right? So it has gone to 31663. Okay, 3 micro pips above the actual entry. So I actually wouldn't have been triggered if I had put 3166. Why did I do this complacency? It's because, you know, I just felt time has already gone by. I mean, what's the difference of 1 pip leeway? Forget it. I was being overconfident. Okay, that's the first mistake. I didn't follow it to absolute specificity in terms of putting the leeways and all of that. That's the first mistake in terms of the entry order. The second thing is, the second mistake we did is, I was a bit late in coming and taking a look at the trade at the end of the hour at 3 p.m. I just came and took a look at it at 3:05 p.m. Just got busy with other things. And then you can see just in that 5 minutes, we had it jump a bit and then stop us out at the initial stop loss. However, but I should have trailed it at the end of the hour, so I should have trailed it for the high of this bar here. Let me just take out this blue line, this blue box out so you can see clearly. I should have trailed it for the high of this bar here. So if I had done that, I would have also saved myself another 5 pips, which should be 50 pounds. Less loss, okay? So these are the two mistakes. One was the entry level order, second was the trailing stop, okay? Right, so of course, you know, these mistakes do happen to any professional. You don't beat yourself on it. What you do is you log it down, learn on it, work on the mind. And the other thing, what you need to do, work on the mind in terms of what you've learned, okay? What you've learned from this trade. The second thing, what you also need to do then, traders, is keep erasing this trade from your mind so that the next day when you get a new trade, you are in the present moment and the past doesn't affect you. So get back into the present moment, clean away the past from your mind. So you need to keep working on the mind to get more laser sharp and to be taking the right traits in. Okay, I guess that's pretty much that on this video. If you have any comments at all, please put it down at the bottom of the video, or if you got any other topics that you want us to cover, do let us know as well. That's pretty much that. Any concepts, terminologies you don't understand, please go and take a look at our Trader Starter Pack video series designed for beginners and intermediates with over 12 years of trading research and with institutional quant trader content. Alright traders, that's all from me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.